And we have some breaking inputs coming in at this point in time, and this is about the latest as far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned. TMC MPs write to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking a special session of Parliament on Operation Sindoor as well as Pahalgam carnage. TMC MPs met, in fact, in the Central Hall of the Parliament earlier. They signed a letter to the Prime Minister requesting a special session of Parliament to be held after 5th of June. Post the return of MPs who are in different parts of the world as far as India's diplomatic outreach is concerned. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Sabyasachi, earlier we had Congress party making this demand, and now TMC is also seeking that there should be, a parliament session as soon as MPs who are out there for this mission of spreading the message of Operation Sindoor and India's narrative once they are back?
Well, that's right. See, the Trinamool Congress delegation of both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, they have written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi asking for a immediate Parliament special session after the delegation who are currently visiting the foreign countries return on June 5, and post their return, there should be a special session of the Parliament that needs to be called in. Now, this particular demand from the Trinamool Congress comes in after 3 days back. Mamata Banerjee had put out a post in social media X stating that after this delegation comes to the country after their foreign visit, there should be a special session that needs to be called in by the union government. Now, at that particular post, Mamata Banerjee also highlighted that the Trinamool Congress from day one is standing with the central government as far as their decision making is concerned. Meanwhile, as per the sources, we are getting to know that the Trinamool Congress have very categorically asked about 3 agendas. A, they have asked on the Operation Sindoor, the details about Operation Sindoor. Secondly, they have asked about Donald Trump's involvement in the ceasefire. And thirdly, they have asked for what is the foreign response when the delegation visited these countries. What are the response from these foreign countries that India has received? That needs to be clear in front of the opposition leaders. This is the third demand that the Trinamool Congress has put forward. Meanwhile, all the MPs from the Trinamool Congress currently are in the national capital. They were holding a meeting in the Central Hall in Parliament, and post the meeting, they have written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the Trinamool Congress would continue to urge the central government that they should hold a special session of the Parliament to brief the opposition leaders as soon as the delegation reaches India on June 5th.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this.